Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be checking out the mix and match switches from Wuque Studios, which is the same company that created the Icky68 keyboard, and showing off what this all has to offer. So the reason why they're called mix and match switches is because you can do exactly that. They sell the top, bottom, stem, and spring all separately, so you can choose what you want when you buy them. Now not only are they different colors, but they are also different materials as well. Now I will say, if you're not really interested in the pricing and all the information, since there is a lot to go over, you can skip ahead using the timestamps below. But with that out of the way, let's get right into it. So the top housings, the blue one is modified nylon, which goes for $5.50 per 35. The pink top housing is modified palm, which goes for $7 for 35. And the purple is unwiped, which goes for $6 for 35. Now when it comes to the bottom housing, the pink is modified palm, which goes for $8 per 35. The unwiped is still purple and goes for $7 per 35. And the blue is still modified nylon, which goes for $6.50 per 35. When it comes to stems, the green stem is made out of LY and goes for $7 per 35. The orange stem is also $7 and is made out of P3 material. The pink stem is modified palm again and goes for $6.50 per 35. The yellow stem is made out of UPE and goes for $7 per 35. And last but not least, the springs. Now they all go for $8.90 per 110 springs, so you do get a lot for that price point, but you have plenty of options to choose from. There's a 63.5 gram single stage spring, a 63.5 gram double stage spring, a 63.5 gram triple stage spring, a 53.0 gram triple stage spring, and lastly a 100 gram single stage spring for all those crazy people out there. But yeah, a lot of information to go over, but that is because you get a lot of customization options with these switches, of course, because they are called mix and match. And if you wanted to see how those colors would look, they do have a configuration on their website to show how the switches will look when you put them together. Now I do recommend lubing them. I don't recommend using these stock because you do get them all separately, so there is scratchiness and spring peeing a little bit, so I do recommend lubing them. But I came up with 4 different options: purple, purple, green, so purple top and bottom housing with green stem; pink stem, blue top housing, pink bottom housing; and then we have the blue, blue, green, which was blue bottom and top housing with the green stem. And lastly, I made a pink, purple, yellow. So it was a yellow stem, a pink top housing, and a purple bottom housing. So I just wanted to try to be different. I know some of these ended up looking like some switches that are already out, but I just like the colors, so that's what I went with. And now here is a quick sound test to hear how they sound. Now one thing I forgot to mention is what springs I used. So I tried out all of the springs except for the 100 gram spring, and I ended up liking the triple stage and double stage springs the most. I don't really like their single stage. It felt like a bit mushy when it came to that one, so I did prefer the triple stage and double stage springs. Can't really say I prefer any of them over the other because they feel really good regardless. So honestly, if you were wanting to look for a spring, I recommend any of the triple stage and the double stage. The single stage I'm not a big fan of. But yeah, I think this is really cool and a great idea to bring to the market because this isn't really done. You know, you usually buy the switches, and if you want to make your own switch, you have to buy the switch whole and then do it that way. But this gives you an option towards where you can choose the color and materials for that switch designed specifically by you. So it's a lot more fun in my opinion, and it makes the whole experience more personalized. If you guys are interested in buying any of this stuff that I talked about today, I'll be leaving a link to them in the description below. But other than that, let me know what you guys think about these in the comments down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.